Here at PROMATION, we're changing the way people interact with their production lines. As a premier provider of electronics manufacturing solutions, our goal is to provide our clients with powerful automated solutions that reshape our future. We deliver machines imbued with the essence of humanity. With decades of experience in the industry, our team at PROMATION possesses unmatched expertise and knowledge. We understand the unique challenges faced by various industries and have developed a range of innovative solutions to address them. Our team of engineers and technicians is continuously improving and evolving our products based on the latest technological advancements. By choosing PROMATION, you align yourself with a partner who is dedicated to staying ahead of the curve and meeting your evolving needs. Whether you're in need of automated assembly systems, robotic integration, or custom machinery, PROMATION offers a wide range of products to cater to every industry's needs. Our diverse product portfolio allows you to find solutions tailored to your specific requirements, ensuring optimal productivity and efficiency. From small-scale operations to large-scale manufacturing facilities, we have the expertise and products to support your growth and success. When you purchase from PROMATION, you are investing in top-quality products. Our commitment to excellence in engineering and manufacturing ensures consistent delivery of high-performance solutions. Our products are built to last, designed to withstand demanding operational environments, and equipped with cutting-edge features to enhance functionality. With PROMATION, you can be confident that your investment will provide long-term value. At PROMATION, we pride ourselves on putting our customers first. We understand that every organization has specific requirements, and we tailor our solutions to meet them. Our attentive and responsive customer support team is always ready to assist you with any queries or concerns you may have. We prioritize your satisfaction and work tirelessly to ensure that your experience with PROMATION exceeds your expectations. By choosing PROMATION, you gain access to the most advanced manufacturing technology that enables you to maintain a competitive edge in this dynamic market. PROMATION USA is your trusted automation partner.